Hey, I'm cruising through. I just burped. I'm cruising through this pretty quickly. In comparison to the way I usually play this game.
It's what's on the inside that counts. It's what's I've got gas. Oh. I've never burped on stream like that.
All the weight. So let me make sure I have. Okay, we're doing blue next.
Excusez-moi. But
Simasage, good burp. Good fucking burp.
Oh, that was a good one. Oh yeah. Well, thank you, Mikal. Thank you. That one was for you.
Fuck is this?
I need to mute my teammate. Wasn't right. Oh my god, excuse me.
This lifeline is a hack.
To make one, but I'll actually make
travel to what do you call talk.
Chop this one too. Excuse me. Huh? Excuse me. Sorry. Great. I'm ruining the forest. Did anyone hear that burp? Did anyone hear that burp?
To keep music out of my club, I use OBS Live. I'm shaky.
Thank you, Quill. Sorry.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! That was wet. Happy New Year! I'm so sorry.
Pardon me, I'm going to belch. I drank a lot of water.
No, I got this. Trust me, I
don't want to play anymore.
No, it's not that bad. Trust me.
Gosh.
No, it's not that bad. It's
Just
not that bad.
In a random champion.
Guys, I don't know what top faces.
Kind of faces that I make, bro. Check his money cause he
It was everywhere. At the same spot.
doesn't have to be.
No, it was. I got the down. It showed that he was down just as he went past the fence. That's why I was trying to flank, hoping one of his guys would go to Resim and I could kill two of them at the same time.
Limited nonsense, I'm saying.
Yeah, whatever. I don't even care. I'm not gonna give him points.